Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop. This is an HP Envy model 13-AH0001. And in this video I'm going to go over how you can open it up and how you can replace the battery for this model. It's really easy, not hard to do, and you can do this at home. By changing the battery, you're not going to modify anything in the system, so it's pretty safe to do it. First thing first, you want to power off the laptop. You want to flip it upside down. And down here, we are going to remove the rubber legs at the bottom. I'm going to be using first an UFIXTEK screwdriver set, as they have one of the best bits out there. We are going to be using a Phillips number 0. And if you have the opening tool from the Pro set, you can use it. If not, grab yourself a guitar pick, and metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. We are going to stick the guitar pick on the bottom of the rubber legs right in the corner, just wiggle it down there. And you want to lift up from both whichever side that you feel comfortable, lift up the adhesive and the rubber legs on the bottom and peel it up and put it to one side. You want to do the same thing on the back rubber leg right there and on the front. So I'm just going to peel that one off too and put it to one side. Now you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws on the back row and 2 chrome screws in here. These are Phillips head screw, and there's a 2 torque number 5 screw on the front end. So we're going to start from the back and remove all the screws. Also, if you guys like my video, if you find my video helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. The back screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about those. Remove the front end screws too. Okay, and the torque number 5 screw bits are the one on exposed front end. Those are really short ones. So there are 3 types of screws on the bottom case. The front screws, the bottom rubber leg screws, and the back ones. Once you got these ones on hand, now we're gonna start peeling off the bottom cover. I'm gonna start from the back corner right in here. I'm gonna stick the opening tool right in there, and I'm gonna twist it, and you wanna hear a few clicks. You wanna work yourself in the back end, just like that. And you wanna go to the other corner, right beside the USB port. Just wiggle it. I'm sticking about 1 or 2 millimeters in, not the whole thing. To the front end. Just go ahead like that, just peeling it off. Once you did the front and the sides, pretty much you're almost done. Now there's a tiny clips in the middle right in here. To pull those up, you need to put your fingers on the cover and hold the case on the bottom, just wiggle it around, and it will release these hooks right on the bottom. They go right through here. The hooks are right over here, one right there, and the other one is right there. And there we have it. Once you remove it, and the battery is like a big, humongous battery, 1, 2, 3, 4 cell batteries right in here. There are 4 separate cells, 1, 2, you can feel it, 3 and 4. The battery connector goes right through here. To disconnect the battery, it's really easy. All you need to do is to put your fingernails on the side of the jack and pull them back. Straight, make sure you pull them back straight and bring it upwards. And after that, to remove the battery, there's a 1, 2 screws, 3 and 4. There are 2 screws on each side. Remove these screws. These are again Phillips number 0. So 2 on that side and 2 on the other side. But once you remove that, just grab the battery and pull it up, slide it out a little bit. It has to go right through these screw holes. So if you don't try to pull it up, you're gonna break the screw holes right in here. You have to slide it towards the CPU slowly, and you're gonna see this speaker cable just tangled right in the zigzag. So you gotta unzigzag this one here. So go ahead and let's bring it back a little bit. Let's go untangle this cable. Bring it up, down, and left and right. There we go. And then now you can go ahead and slide it out and bring it out. This battery, it is kind of inflated right in here a little bit. All right, the model for this battery is an KC04XL, and this is a 15.4 volt, 53.2 watt hour battery, which is at 3,454 milliamp hours. I'll try to get the link for this one, and I'll leave in the video description so you guys can purchase yours. Let's say that you got a new battery in, you want to bring it and slide it right under this screw holes right there. Once you have it slided right there, you can tangle back down the cable for the speakers. They're pretty easy, you can do it by hand. Just stick it right there. There we go. Once you have that one in there, you want to grab the jack. You want to evenly straight, both sides straight. Don't put it sideways, all the way through the jack and pinch it right through there. And the last thing down here would be to put the 4 screws for the screws and put the bottom cover. Just remember, when you put the new battery in, you don't want to power on right away. You want to leave it charging for at least probably, I'll say, 4 to 5 hours in an off mode. So let the battery charge completely. After that, you want to disconnect the battery, and once you disconnect it, you want to power on and let it discharge slowly. Don't put any heavy load. Once it's discharged, then power it off and leave it for charging for another 4 to 5 hours. And after that, you can use as you wish. That initial charge and discharging is really important. And the last thing is to put the bottom cover, press gently in the middle so you hear those tiny clicks, and pinch the corners, the sides, so you want to hear those clicks on the side. And to finish it off, put the bottom screws right on top. The black headed screws goes on the back row, the chrome Phillips on the bottom, and the Torx, they go right at the front end of the laptop. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.